Top 10 survival movies you must watch. 5 matchups. Say who wins. Which survival story immerses you more in the struggle against nature? Say who wins. Which survival tale is more gripping and edge of your seat? Say who wins. Which survival story captivates and amazes more? Say who wins. Which mountain survival story leaves a stronger impression? Say who wins. Which survival story inspires more hope and resilience?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, friends. Turn on the bell and smash that like button to never miss a new comparison. See you in the next one.